In today's video, I am going to teach you how to inject code in Squarespace 7.0. To begin, log into your Squarespace site and open the Home menu. This is the main control area where you can manage your website settings, pages, and design options. Once you are inside, go to your website section and click Pages. This will take you to the part of Squarespace where you can view and manage the structure of your site. From there, scroll down toward the bottom until you find the option for Custom Code. Take your time here, because this area is easy to miss if you move too quickly. When you find it, click into the Custom Code section to continue. Next, select Code Injection. This is the area in Squarespace 7.0 where you can add code that applies across your site. You will usually see separate fields for the header and the footer. The header section is commonly used for code that needs to load early, such as tracking scripts or verification code. The footer section is often used for code that can load later, which can sometimes help with site performance depending on what you are adding. Now paste your code into the appropriate code injection field. If your code provider tells you to place the code in the header, use the header box. If it says to place it in the footer, use the footer box. It is important to paste the code exactly as provided without changing the formatting or removing any characters, because even a small mistake can prevent it from working properly. Before you save, take a quick moment to review what you pasted. Make sure the code is in the correct section and that nothing is missing. This can help you avoid issues later and save time if you are troubleshooting. When everything looks correct, click Save. Squarespace will then apply the code to your site. After saving, it is a good idea to test your website and confirm that the code is working as expected. For example, if you added a script for analytics, chat, or a custom feature, check the relevant area of your site to make sure it appears or functions correctly. That is the full process for injecting code in Squarespace 7.0. Once you know where to find the code injection area, it becomes a quick and simple task that covers everything you need to know.